Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a tire and put a tire back on your car. Although this seems very simple, this is a fundamental piece of how to fix your car. Most of the time you're going to be taking your tire off to get access to your brake and suspension pieces. Whatever the case may be, and if you need to take the tire off to fix it, it's important to know how to do it properly so you don't get hurt and secure the vehicle properly. So today I'm going to show you how to take your tire off a car, but it does not matter whether it's a van, car or truck, they're pretty much all the same. The first thing that we're gonna do is to go to the back tire because we're lifting up the front. You want to make sure your vehicle does not go anywhere when you lift the front tire. So make sure you secure your emergency brake and have it in first gear or in park. And then get your piece of wood and place it behind your back tire. You do that, you have to loosen your lug nuts when the wheel is still on the ground. So get your lug remover and break them loose. Then take your car jack and place it underneath your car on a piece of wood. Find this spot, put it right under here and lift it. This piece of wood will protect your floor. Before you lift your car up, check on the jack where it recommend you to what it recommend you, and this is very important. In my case, it's right here on this hook. So now that the car is up, before you take your tire off, give it a good shake and make sure it is solid. Remember, the lugs are loose. Now you want to remove them completely. Now that all the lugs are out, you can now take your tire off. The final thing when you have your tire off, what you want to do is to slide it underneath your vehicle. By sliding it underneath the vehicle, that gives you another safety feature. If however the vehicle does drop, it will fall on the tire. Now that you got your tire off, you can do whatever job you want to get done, and now I'll show you how to put your tire back on. So first line up your rim and put it on. Start putting your lug on and tighten it by hand as much as you can. And remember, when you are tightening them, always do it in a star pattern. Then after you are done, you can lower your car back on the ground. Then you can tie them up completely. Then remove the two pieces of wood behind your back tire. How you take your tire off and put it back on. Hopefully this video is helpful. If it was, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.